Hey everyone, welcome back. Probably gonna be some coughs and stuff in this video. I was pretty sick last week. We're late this week. This is why I usually plan in advance, but I wanted to save it this week because I wanted to do a Super Bowl layout and we didn't know who was in the Super Bowl, so that's what this spread is going to be, is Super Bowl layout. Yeah, so I printed off some Rams and some Bengals, and I have been told that's who's in the Super Bowl, obviously. I'm big Super Bowl fans. I don't know. That could be totally wrong. But it doesn't matter because they will make good decorations in my planner, and that is obviously the extent of my football, so cool. That's what we're gonna do, because this day's a Super Bowl, and then yeah, so that's what we're gonna do. Pretty simple. Just print out some big mascots. I use the bright sticker books for these labels, and just some mildliner highlighters. Those are things that I know I have going on. If there's more comes up, we'll add it too. Yeah, but that's what we got. So if you like the video, I hope you hit the like button and hit the notification bell so we get notified when I put up new videos. That's all I got. Thanks. Bye.